Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your social studies teacher for grade 2 and today we are going to read unit number 1 of social studies. So all of you open your books and look at your books, page number 1. Unit number 1 and the unit name is Blessings of Allah. Do you know students what is the meaning of blessings? No? Okay, I will tell you. Blessings is a special favor or benefits given to us by Allah. For example, if you just look at yourself, you have eyes and you can see from your eyes. Your eyes are the blessing of Allah. You have ears and you can hear from your ears. So your ears are the blessing of Allah. You have hands and you can do work from your hands. So your hands are also the blessing of Allah. So our whole body is a great blessing of Allah. So today in this chapter we are also going to discuss some more blessings of Almighty Allah. But before starting this chapter we have to learn some new words. Okay. The new words are number 1, universe. What is the word universe? What is the word universe? Universe means the world. The second word is essential. What is the word? Essential. And it means very important. The third word is benefits. What is the word? Benefits. It means advantages. Now the next is oxygen. What is the word? Oxygen. Oxygen is a gas. Next word is created. What is the word? Created. Created means made. The next word is blessings. What is the word? Blessings. Blessings means special favor. After that, we are going to start reading. What are the blessings of Almighty Allah? Allah has created the entire universe for us. It means that Allah has created the whole world for us. We get oxygen to breathe. Oxygen is a gas which is very important for us, for human beings, because we are using it in breathing. Sun gives us light and heat. Look at the picture of sun. It gives us light and heat. It is also important for plants and animals. It is also important for plants because plants are making their food in the presence of sunlight. Okay, this is very important for plants because they are making food in the presence of sunlight, and also very important for animals. Now the next is plants and animals created by Allah. You all have seen the plants and animals. Okay. Provide us with a lot of benefits which are helpful in our daily lives. How they are giving benefits to us, do you know? For example, plants. If we are talking about plants, plants gives us vegetables and fruits which are very important for us because it gives us energy. Okay, now the next is animals. Animals like cow, goat, sheep, hen. It gives us milk, meat, eggs, etc. And these are also very important for us in our daily life because on the daily basis we are using it. Okay. Now students, your home task is that you have to read it 5 to 6 times at home. Okay. And then on the next day, I will listen it from you. Okay? Students, today we are going to start the remaining part of unit number 1, page number 1. So all of you open your books, page number 1. Now we are going to start from the third paragraph, water. Water is another very important and essential blessing of Allah. And you can see the picture of water. Can you see it? Okay. Mostly our life depends on water. Even plants and animals cannot survive without water. Water is very important for us because we are using water for so many things like for drinking, for washing, for bathing, for cooking. And even plants and animals and all living things cannot live without water because they need it. Now the next, Every blessings of Allah has some purpose. Without these blessings, life is not possible. Each and every blessing of Allah is a great gift for us. So we should be thankful to Allah for all these blessings. Because without these blessings, life is not possible. We cannot think about life. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am here again, your social studies teacher for grade 2 with another lecture of unit number 1, Blessings of Allah. So all of you open your books, page number 2. Okay students, before starting the topic, I want to ask some question from you. Okay, are you ready? Now tell me, what would happen if there is no water? Yes? G? Yes. All the living things would die. Good. Okay, my second question is, why do we need sunlight? Yes, because it gives us light and heat. Good. Okay, why do we need fruits and vegetables to eat? Yes, because it gives us energy. Good. Okay, now today's topic is look around you. So all of you, look at your books. Page number 2. We are going to start. Fresh air smells so sweet. It gives us good health and life. Air is essential for our survival. It means air is very important for our life. Fresh air smells so sweet and we can feel it. And if we are going to the village side, there is very fresh air which is very important for good health. Okay. Now the next is the sun gives us heat, light and energy. Okay. These three things are given to us by the sun. It helps living things to grow. Now the next is water is a special gift of Almighty Allah, no doubt. Okay, living things would die without water. We drink water and use it for housework. Okay, if you imagine that there is no water on earth, so what would happen? All the living things would die, okay? And water is very important for us because we are drinking water, we are using it for washing, for cooking, for bathing, for each and everything, okay? So this is very important for us. Now the next is, earth has many blessings for us. It produces crops, vegetables and fruits. Some of the vegetables and fruits produced by the earth are potatoes, carrots, onions, green vegetables, mangoes, bananas, oranges, apples and many more. It means earth has many benefits for us. How? Because it gives us crops like vegetables and fruits, and you know that these are very important for us, for our health. Some of the vegetables which produces by the earth are potatoes, carrot, onions, green vegetables, and you all have seen it. And the fruits are mangoes, which is your favorite, bananas, oranges, apples and many more. And these fruits and vegetables gives us so many vitamins which are important for our body. Now students, your home task is that from textbook page number 1 and 2, identify the blessing of Allah from the picture and then list them in your workbook. Okay? Bye.